Struggling to stay productive throughout the day? Here are simple but powerful daily planning hacks that can transform the way you work. Starting today. Start the night before productivity begins the night before. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each evening writing down the top 3 tasks you want to complete the next day. This reduces morning stress and gives you instant clarity when you wake up. 2. Use the 80-20 rule. Not all tasks are equal. According to the 80-by-20 rule, 20% of your efforts give 80% of your results. Identify the few tasks that matter most, and focus your energy on them first. 3-time block your day. Don't just write a to-do list. Instead, divide your day into blocks of time. Assign specific tasks to specific time slots. This prevents distractions and helps you stay on track. 4. Start with a focus session. Begin your day with a 30-minute distraction-free focus session. No phone, no social media, just one task. This kickstarts your momentum and boosts confidence. 5. Use a visual task tracker. Seeing your progress keeps you motivated. Use a whiteboard, sticky notes, or a digital Kanban board. Move tasks from to-do to done, and enjoy the satisfaction of completion. 6. Plan for breaks. Your brain needs rest to stay sharp. Schedule 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour. Use this time to stretch, breathe, or just step away from your screen. Keep your workspace clean. A cluttered space creates a cluttered mind. Take 5 minutes at the start or end of your day to organize your workspace. A clean environment increases focus and reduces stress. 8. Reflect and adjust. At the end of the day, review what went well and what didn't. Ask yourself, what did I complete? What distracted me? What can I improve tomorrow? Start using these daily planning hacks today. Small changes in your routine can lead to massive gains in productivity. Plan smart, work better, live fully.